Okay, so if this trade sets up, there's going to be trade number 17. Hell of a lot of confidence in your skill to do that right there. You'll see the balance. 801.75. Cracked the $800 level. That is an extreme version of what I call a skill trade. Extreme version. Do not try this at home. All right, so let me stop joking around and playing around with it. I know many of you are wondering what just happened. Like, what did he just do? Understanding the nuances of the platform that you're trading on and having the confidence in your ability to interpret the information that is before you, that within itself is a skill. And it's a skill that you can improve upon once you realize that that skill is something that's relevant to what you're doing on the trading platform. And that's all it is. That is all it is. I mean, just now that, for me to take that trade was totally ludicrous and ridiculous, because literally within seconds at the end of the binary, you saw that the price came down and ultimately led to me winning that trade. But prior to that, you saw how close the pricing was to the option strike when I took the trade. And then ultimately you saw that there was not a lot of movement, but there was a type of movement that was present. And you see, that's where the skill comes in. Understanding the nuances and then understanding the intricacy of the nuance that you have an understanding of. Like I said, an extreme version of a skill trade. And you got to see it first. Right here. Mark Fuller, Team Alliance. Blueprint Project. So what it is that I do is I have confidence in my ability. That has nothing to do with luck. It has nothing to do with ego. I'm not feeling myself. It's not that. Taking the time to study, taking the time to dedicate yourself to the process of waiting. All of these things play a part with the elevation of your skill level. And, you got to start from somewhere. So the training is the key. That's all I can say. Every time that you see me do this, I'm going to revert back to the same thing. Training is the key. That's it. All right. So anyway, this trade represented trade number 17. So I'm actually going to take another trade before I scale up to the 8 contract level. Even though the balance is over 800, it's at 801.75. I'm going to do another trade just so that I keep the number of trades even. So, the next trade that I'll take would be trade number 18, and then I'll scale up after that. All right. So you guys stay tuned. Mark Fuller, more to come. This is Team Alliance. This is the Blueprint Project. I'll talk to y'all soon. Peace.